Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about polygon, yung classification and name and parts. Okay, so this is our objective. We have to identify the parts of a polygon, classify polygons according to sides and angles, and of course, we have to name a polygon. Okay? So what is a polygon? A polygon is a closed plane figure bounded by line segment that meet only at their endpoints. Then how many line segments do we need to create a polygon? So polygon is a plane figure bounded by three or more line segments that meet only at their endpoints. So parts of a polygon. So first, we have a sides, vertices, angles. Okay, so polygon from the Greek word poly meaning many, gon meaning angle. Okay, so this is what we call the interior angle, yung nasa loob ng angle or sa loob ng triangle. Okay, so classifying a polygon according to the number of sides. So if you say three-sided polygon, that is a triangle. Okay, yun ang mga example ng triangle. So yung hint natin dito, tri meaning three or means three. Tricycle. Okay, or tripod. So, four-sided polygon, that is a quadrilateral. Okay, example ng mga quadrilateral. So, hint is quad. Quadruplet. Quadrangle. Okay. Next is five-sided polygon. You say five-sided polygon, that is a pentagon. Example ng pentagon. Then, hint ng penta, pentagram, pentateuch, and another one is six-sided polygon, hexagon. Okay? Yung hexagon is a six-sided polygon. Example niyan, okay? Hexa. Hexagon meaning yung hexa from the word hexa. Both hexagon and six have an X in them. Okay? Hexagon. Hex meaning yung screws. Parang screw. Okay? Another one is seven-sided polygon. If you say seven-sided polygon, that is heptagon. Example ng heptagon. Ayan. Hepta. Okay? House. Arrow. Yan ang mga heptagon. Another one is eight-sided polygon, meaning octagon. Okay, yun ang mga example ng octagon. Octa. Okay? Octopus. Octacore. Ayan. Nine-sided polygon, that is nonagon. Okay, example ng figure sa nonagon. That is nine-sided polygon, nona. Okay? Nun is similar to nine. Okay? Nonagonal coin. Yung 5 peso coin, that is a nonagon. Next is 10-sided polygon. That is decagon. Example sa figure ng decagon, ayan. Deca, from the word deca. Ibig sabihin, deca or tenues. The tenues. 10. So, classification of a polygon, number of sides, 3. Name of polygon, triangle. Prefixes niya is tri or 3. Okay, so, quadrilateral, that is 4-sided polygon, quad or 4. Pentagon, that is 5 sides. Penta, meaning 5. Hexagon, 6, that is hexa or 6. Heptagon, 7 or hepta, 7. Octagon is 8-sided polygon, that is octa or 8. Nonagon, that is 9 sides. Nona, meaning 9. Next, decagon, 10-sided polygon, that is deca or 10. And decagon, that is 11 sides. Uno plus deca, that is 11. Okay? Dodecagon, 12-sided polygon. So, duo plus deca is equal to 12. N-gon, that is n or number of sides. Ayan. So, we have to name a polygon or naming a polygon. So, vertices dito, name, vertices, sides, interior angles. Ilagyan natin ng mga pangalan yan mamaya. Okay, so yung activity natin, you have to name and enumerate the polygon given its vertices. So, una, yung vertices, sides, at saka interior angle. So, i-name natin to. This is, ilang side ba to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, this is pentagon. Pentagon, F-A-I-T-H. Okay? Then, ang vertices nito, this is vertices F, vertex F, vertex A, vertex I, vertex T, vertex H. Okay, yung side naman, side FA or EAF, side AI, side IT or line segment IT, line segment TH or line TH, line FH or HF. Interior angles, angle A, angle I, angle T, angle H, and angle F. Okay? So, thank you for watching and listening. At ito lang yung topic natin ngayon at maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, pag-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. At paki-follow na rin sa ating Facebook page, Sir Ariel Math Review. Maraming salamat and God bless.